With the statement, I think the 24 hours was it to the protectors, and even the protectors, I do not know if there was a statement kung conclusive ba or baka revalidated pa. Okay?
24 years of public service, is this what you consider the biggest blow, negative impact?
I'm not saying, when you say blow, as if you have committed something. Only a challenge and part of the struggle. And, I've always had a lot of struggles. Maybe God will always be there because there is a big mission ahead. Maybe I have to be a part of this so that the whole world will hear me and the whole nation will hear me and the whole members of Duterte's administration will likewise hear me, and most especially the President, because I think the President knows our family. He may have been just into these documents. That's why I ask and I request, I want to see the document so that I can answer. Am I correct, Philip Sapra, the
Yes,
head
Mayor.
of the ABC?
Yeah.
Because I owe it to them. I owe it to the Filipino people and to the Cebuanos.
You think, Mayor, the President was just ill-advised, Mayor,
About what?
about this whole thing?
I'm not there
You being
to...
a drug protector,
He will...
he was just ill-advised.
I do not want to make any conclusion because he is the President. He is presumed to do what he ought to know. And he is presumed to have exercised a duty. That presumption is regularity. I do not want to cast any doubt at all.
Mayor, do you think the President is wrong including you being a drug protector?
As an again,
Do you think the President is wrong including you being wrong?
if you're asking me, I can never be a drug protector. So, wrongly, if ever I'm there, it's not the President who made a mistake. The one who placed it there.
What is your message to the President?
I love him. Because he loved the country, I love him. But of course, we need to love. And with that love, we should also be loving all, regardless who.
Mayor, as previous mayor sa city, napay intelligence na kabuti mo na napay mga dagdag na mga drug lords dito sa Cebu. And given a chance ng Castorias President,
I'm a lawyer. I was not being a part of an agency that will bring me to be getting all of this because that belongs to an agency and these are all classified matters that even mayor may have access at all. Kita ka ang mga gipangita, that's all about. Now, if you're talking about insinuation, as a lawyer, you should not also insinuate. Kaya na may presumption gudong. No, there's always such a thing as before you condemn, you must hear. And before you conclude, you must give them a chance also to present themselves. That is always very much enshrined in the Constitution. Lisod kayo mo, mingon ta, pataka lang tagsulti niya, what I basis. Right now, I don't have any document that I will tell Mr. Tampulano is drug lord, Mr. Tampulano is drug lord. Wala ko ano. Kailahi man ang sit-up na to karon. Philippine National Police belong to the national. Inigabot dito sa mayor at that time, maglalis pa. So, mo kabantayan na, maglalis pa. I have to insist that we have the so-called operation, supervision, and control. And in between, there is a gray area, Ana. So, as of now, I cannot be talking about specific name. I might name Tampulana or Tampulano na he will end up like me.
Sir, napila pa nga ni Colonel Bong Santander, sir.
That's why I felt, I felt really because Bong has been a charter week awardee. Number two, I mean, from my point of view of knowing Bong, nanay amahan na igsuon nga pulisan. I don't know kung naabay ginganlan og uncalled for behavior ni Bong, kung masuk ko magsunod-sunod ni Bong. But in my own personal knowledge and having in contact with Bong all the time, I remember he's doing fine. Right now, why was he being promoted if he is deserving of being where he is right now? Mabitaw na nga ganahan kumutan-aw sa man yung dokumento ha? Basi kanin dokumento ha? Dokumento ni sa panahon nila ni? Yes, you said it. Panahon sa mga tao suraw ni? That's it. Because if I recall, makita bitaw doon ninyo panahon na sa mga drama ato, Romana is a drug protector. That's why he has to be released. Guinape has to be transferred so that the people can come in. Kappa has to be brought so that the people can come in. And then Betincela has to be removed so that the people can come in. So who is handling the peace and order? Directly. Ikuha mo, it's DILG, the Office of the President, and whoever are very much liberal in personality at that time. Next.
What have you done, Mayor, in your 6 years, 6 years nga as a mayor? What have you done to curb illegal drugs?
So, you better ask Edgar and you better ask Joy because there are records. They were there already. Joy from 1998 to 2000. Yeah, Edgar until today. You know, talking about, wow, when we give all this sakyanan, etc., 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 you know, they have mandates, a peacock, they run after the... And then there was such a time when I became the acting mayor, we arrested the number one wanted. So, you know, it would not be fair also that during that time we did not think. Okay? What else?
Mayor, personally, do you know Mayor Espinosa of Alvera?
I just know him when I was asked with Vice Mayor Ongab, and then I was being directed from the National Hierarchy that there is going to be a candidate who will carry UNA. So, I just raise your right hand and repeat after me. Plain and simple. So, what will that be a connection with? When you probably want to ask, have I been there in that place? No. Next.
Tungod daw ko no, Mayor, ang friendship ninyo ni Salvera Mayor.
Friendship.
Kay mo
Did we
reason
embrace
sa wala
each
ko
other?
nakuan ko tong drug lord nga naa sa hipodromo, Mayor.
I have no. Sa tinuuray, I didn't even know. Nobody told me that that fellow is a. So therefore, why should it be connected to me? It's the most unfair when I only, just like anyone, kapitan na nga luoy ka ng uban, pakudak ni na police, then they will end up the police. Kuha mo, pasabot na ko. But, you know, accusation should be with connection. Accusation should be with basis. There's no basis at all.
Mayor, klaro na lang dismaya kita sa pag-appeal sa ngalan ni Sir Bong.
Why, dili mo dispanado? It's a Cebuano. You know, a Cebuano being involved, a man with an award, I think he should also be interviewed. Kaya wata ka siguro, gahilak to si Bong. May mangko, anad mangko aning tanong mga taong gahilak. Next.
Could we hear from Vice Mayor and maybe Presidente sa ABC, sir?
Ang sa Vice Mayor. Not an acting mayor.
Acting Mayor, sir.
Kasi mong kay ka ni Vice.
Well, of course, I'm deeply saddened to know Mayor Mike Rama I've known him and his family to be God-fearing, God-loving, and law-abiding citizens. So I am deeply saddened. But anyway, as what the President said, that he just read the list given to him and he's going to validate it. And in fact, if I'm not mistaken, although I have not heard the President, there was like a mention in a statement when he said, I could be wrong. So that this just given to him, it was a list just given to him. And that list could come from anyone or anybody else. And I think the mayor should see the President. The mayor, I think, because the President said it was just a list given to him and I could be wrong. But if you ask me on a personal note, I've known Mayor Mike Rama to be a law-abiding citizen, a God-fearing person, just like his family. So I am deeply saddened. I am shocked. I could not believe it.
Yes, we share the same sentiment with the acting mayor.